So what we do at Mattsson Roofing is we try to trace leaks to the best of our ability. So I was able to get in the attic, see where the water's coming in from the attic. It's about 5 feet from that sidewall and 3 feet up from the fascia board. So let's measure and see what we find. I'm gonna mark approximately where that 5-foot point is. X marks the spot. I'm gonna lift up this shingle. And there's a pesky nail pop right in the leaking area. This nail pop was hidden underneath this shingle, but the shingle is very pliable. So when your shingles start coming off the roof or coming up from the roof, you're exposing the nails underneath. I bet I could pull this guy out. Yep. So what's happening is when this guy pops up and out, water can now get down this channel and you'll have a slow drip, 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 especially with a heavy rainstorm. It's fun tracing a leak, trying to figure out where on a roof a problem is coming from. You have to be creative, you have to be investigative, you have to be thorough. I'm gonna seal this up, put this leak to bed, and call it a day.